everybody, welcome to Cooking with Claire. I am Claire Olsen, the Senior Corporate Chef at Weds Foods. It is December, and this month we are celebrating all kinds of holidays. And with holiday celebrations comes all sorts of baking. So this month we decided that we were going to highlight some of our Weds Foods bakery mixes for you. They say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so we are going to start off with our biscuit mix. I went ahead and made some garlic parmesan biscuits using a Weds Foods garlic parmesan seasoning. Now over here I incorporated this into a breakfast sandwich using eggs and roasted red peppers. You can also have this biscuit on the side to dip in those delicious winter yummy soups. As I said, our biscuit mix is really versatile and it's not just for savory applications. I also went ahead and made some banana chocolate chip scones that are sprinkled with the Weds Foods cinnamon sugar. Next up we have our cream cake mix. The cream cake is also very versatile. I went and I made several different things with this bakery mix. First off, I made muffins. Here I made cherry chocolate chip muffins and I drizzled the top using a Weds Foods horchata seasoning mixed into vanilla icing. You can really do so many things with our cream cake. It'll take on any shape or form that you wish. First off, we did muffins, and next we did a caramel pecan coffee cake using a Weds Foods cinnamon whiskey seasoning, and that will be drizzled with caramel syrup. Also using our cream cake mix, I decided to make a very berry trifle. I just think that trifles are really beautiful and you can incorporate a lot of different flavors. For my berry trifle here, I layered up with a sugary gelatin treat, some whipped cream, pudding, of course our cream cake mix, and a Weds Foods Tres Leches seasoning. I decided to highlight two of our Weds Foods cookie mixes. First off is our sugar cookie mix. Again, this is very versatile. You can put in any type of particulates that you want and any type of flavors, and they are going to come out perfect each and every time. Using our sugar cookie mix, I made pecan and toffee cookies using a Weds Foods chai spice seasoning. The other cookie mix that I wanted to show you was our oatmeal cookie mix. I know there's a lot of debate whether you should use raisins or chocolate chips. I prefer chocolate chips. So I made oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie bars using a Weds Foods stout seasoning. I hope I've inspired you to maybe try some new things this baking season. Thank you so much for joining me this month. I want to wish everybody a very happy holiday season, but I think it's enough with the baking now and it's time to go play in the snow. See you guys next year.